I bought and tested two of Amazon's most popular Dreo fans. I'm going to tell you what I like, what I don't like, two things you need to know, and everything else you need to know before you consider buying these. These fans definitely are going to be different based on what you're looking for. Can't go wrong with either one of them. They have some similarities, they have some differences. This one right over here is going to be the air circulation fan, the CF312. This guy right here is going to be the air circulation fan, CF511. So let's get into this one first because this one's a little easier to run through. So this is the CF312. This one, I have ribbons on all of them so you can see exactly at what speed, what they look like. This is on speed 1 right now. This can be adjusted up and down. They kind of have some like lock-ins right over here. It's not like free moving. There's definitely some lock-ins over here. This could reach up to 75 feet out. So if you're 75 feet away, you will feel a breeze from this for sure. And it can go all the way up like that. This also has a mount. So you'll see on the back here, it does come with a mounting plate. So if you wanted to mount this up here, you could do that as well. So this is on speed 1 right now. Let's go to speed 2. That's what it's looking on speed 2. This is what it looks like on speed 3. The camera is shaking a little bit. You can see that. So super powerful. If you wanted to shut this off, you just go off like that. No timer, no app, no anything like that. Just a super simple, powerful fan that doesn't take up a lot of space. The grill right here is 12 inches and the cord on this fan is 5 feet long. Literally just plug it in the outlet. Let's move over to this one right here. So this is the CF511 by Dreo. This is what this one looks like. This is on speed 1. You could also adjust this however you want, up and down. And it does have those kind of lock-ins as well. And that's as far as it goes. We kind of have a little kind of way to carry it on the back right over here. So you'll see that these all do come in different colors and stuff like that. If you're not into these colors, this also has a digital display here and it is currently off. This is a very nice feature. You don't have to worry about the light. So what happens is, this is how you power this on. This also comes with a remote right over here that could do everything for you. So we'll go with the remote for this one right over here. So you'll see here, it will display. So it's showing 1. After about 1 minute, the display will go off, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is what it looks like on 1. This is what it looks like on 2. You could also oscillate this side to side. So you'll see it's moving side to side right now. All right, so that's 2. This is 3. It's coming over here at 3. When it comes back, we'll get it. This is going to be 4. And then if you wanted to stop it right there, no problem. So that's at 4. And that's what it goes up to. 4 is the top speed on this. So you got 4 different speeds on this one right over here. This has a different mode as well. So if you see this like little hamburger menu right over here, if you click that, this is going to be automatic mode. So automatic mode is really cool. There is a temperature sensor in here. So if it's sensed, so let's just say we're on 4, the room gets much cooler, the speed will automatically drop down to 3 or 2, depending on like where it started at and like where it's at. Or you could just do normal mode. You control however you want it to go. This one also has a timer right over here that allows you to go up to 8 hours. You could just easily tap that just like that. Super simple right over there. So that's kind of an overview of the CF511. Now, again, you can't really go wrong with either one of these. I would say the CF312 would be a great fit for you if you're looking for something simple. Like you literally turn it on, pick your speed, pick your direction, and you're good to go. You don't want to really adjust anything. This will probably be running all the time because for this one over here, if you want to change the speed or direction, you're going to have to walk over and manually do that yourself. This one over here is going to be great for you if you want to be able to control it with a remote. You're going to have 4 different speeds with this one, so another speed, and then you also have that automatic setting as well, which is nice because if it does get much cooler, that's one of the benefits of using a fan. You're like, oh man, like I was so hot, now I'm freezing. Well, it'll kind of auto lower it for you. or you could just do it with the remote yourself. And then you have the timer on this one as well. So can't go wrong with either one of these. Also with this one here, if you want to mount it, you have that option. You do not have that option with this one over here. Again, can't go wrong with either one of these. I say if you're looking for something super simple, something you want to mount, the CF312 is for you. If you're looking for a little bit more bells and whistles, want a remote control so you can control it wherever you want a little oscillation going on, and want to be able to use a timer, this is the one for you. I hope you found this video helpful and you stay cool. Give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.